Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Twitter videos on your Android or iPhone. It's super easy, so let's get started. So first, open your Twitter and log into your account. Now, find the video you want to download. So once you've got it, go ahead and minimize Twitter. Next, open the Play Store if you're on Android or the App Store if you're on iPhone and search for Twitter Video Downloader. So there will be a lot of apps, but just pick one that's highly rated. So don't worry, these third-party apps are usually safe. So after installing the app, go back to Twitter, open the video again, and tap the share icon. So from the share options, choose copy link. Once the link is copied, open the Twitter Video Downloader app and paste the link into the search bar. Tap save and wait for a few seconds. So once it's done, your video will be saved to your gallery. So let's check. Just open your gallery and there it is. So that's how you download Twitter videos on your phone. Thanks for watching.